All right, so which problem is this? This is practice test number.
2B.
Okay, so practice final. Oops, final number 2B by inverse reverse. Just because I think you guys should, I think this is a valuable punchline at the end of class. So here we have this equation that I would expect you to be able to solve, right? So what's the function here that we're going to inverse reverse?
10 raised to the 2b plus 1 is 5.
Okay, so let me talk about f of v is 10 to the 2b plus 1. So when you start with a v, right, what's the first thing you do?
Times 2.
Multiply by 2.
Add 1.
Add 1. Then you 10 to this stuff. Okay? So what's your inverse?
Divide by 2 minus 1.
Okay, so the inverses are in order. Divide by 2, subtract 1, and log, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the order in which I'm going to do them is, yeah, I'm going to start over here, right? So f inverse of v is, start with a v, right?
Log of v.
So you get log of v, then you
Subtract 1.
do log of v minus 1, then you
Divide by 2.
divide by 2, so you get log of v minus 1 over 2.
Mm-hmm.
You see that? Okay, so log of v minus 1 over 2. Okay, now, you have said that f of v is 5, right?
Yep.
That's what they told you. So they said, I started over here on the left-hand side, right, with a v.
Mm-hmm.
I did this stuff to it, and I got a 5 over here.
Okay.
I want to know what v was that. So I should start with 5 and take it back, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
So
You guys see that?
now show log.
So if I take 5 and plug it in here, what'll I get?
So log.
So log of 5 minus
Log of 5 minus 1 over 2, which has some decimal approximation.
I got negative 1.5.
Okay. Please note, this is the answer,
Yeah.
right?
Wow.
That's the answer to v equals, right?
Oh.
You guys want to see that notationally?
Yeah.
Notationally, we started with this thing, right? So we started with
Oh, I see.
f of v is 5. And then I hit both sides with an inverse function. So I did apply f inverse to both sides. So on the left, I got f inverse of f of v equals f inverse on the right of 5. Okay, see that?
Oh, the
These two operations undo one another, right? So I get v is f inverse of 5.
That's really cool.
Cool?
That's really cool.
That's actually all we've been doing this whole time, right? We've been doing these kind of one at a time. We've been applying the inverses to a function at each stage. But you can do it in a better way, right?
You do the whole thing in one go.
If I had 30 of these problems, right, where I had this stuff equals number, this stuff equals another number, right, I wouldn't want to do all these steps every time. I'd just take this and plug in the numbers and spit out the answers.
Wow.
You see that?
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.